Welcome back to Farm and Culture. We are in my backyard continuing our summer series of kombucha cocktails. The next one we're going to make is the kombucha cucumber smash. So this one's really easy. There's the same traditional ingredients, but instead of club soda, we're going to substitute kombucha. So you get all those probiotics and all the benefits of kombucha while you're still having your cocktail. It's a healthier way to have your summer cocktail. So the ingredients that you are going to need are basil, cucumber, your favorite gin, and kombucha. I'm going to be using plain, but if you have a kombucha that's flavored, that is either basil flavored or cucumber flavored, then that would be perfect. Otherwise, plain works great too. So you want to start off with a nice big sprig of basil. And I just muddle everything right into the mason jar because we're going to serve out of this too. It's just kind of perfectly festive and summery, and it looks really cute, and it's simple cleanup. So we're gonna muddle the basil. You can smell it. There's nothing better than a fresh cocktail in the summertime. Okay. And then we're gonna add in like 3 slices of cucumber. And then you want to add some kind of sweetener. So typically, at a normal restaurant or bar, they would use a simple syrup, which is sugar and water. You can use whatever you like. I like to use, this is cassava sweetener. I also like stevia. There's coconut nectar, agave. Some people like agave. I've heard some things that it's not super healthy because it's really processed, but it sweetens and it doesn't change the flavor. Like if you use honey, then, which is perfectly fine, you're definitely going to taste a difference in the drink. It'll have a honey flavor, but you may like that. So we're going to go ahead and muddle the sweetener and the cucumber with the basil. Okay. All right. So once that's all muddled up, then the next thing you want to do is add the gin. The recipe calls for 1.5 ounces. I'm gonna put 2 in because, I don't know, I like to have a little bit extra. If 1.5 is good, then 2 is probably a little bit better. Oops. Okay, so we add our gin. Just like that. And then you wanna add, they say like 4 ounces of kombucha. But you can kind of just eyeball it. You want to put some in and then have enough room for ice. And one other thing I wanted to kind of suggest is, you could pre-batch these in these little mason jars, which are super cute, and just put the lid on that it came with, and leave these in your refrigerator or put them in an ice bucket. And then when your guests arrive, then you can just like uncap it, add ice, sure it fits in there. Finish it off with more kombucha. And then go ahead and garnish with a nice cucumber slice and a straw. And there you go, the kombucha cucumber smash. So have fun adding that gin cocktail to all of your summer gatherings. Gin is definitely kind of like the new and fun alcohol that people are drinking, and nobody will expect it, especially when you make it taste that good. As always, follow us on social media. Send me a message on Instagram. I want to hear from you and find out how you're enjoying the recipes and what your friends and family think. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, then leave a comment and I'll hear from you that way. Be sure to check us out on farmandculture.com. You can sign up for the newsletter and you'll see all of our little Amazon products that make it just easier for you to start brewing and get going with all of your kombucha needs. Thank you.